Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Ultimate Showdown, we're pitting two titans of the premium ultra-portable world against each other, the sleek Dell XPS 13 Copilot Plus and the business-savvy Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12. Choosing the right laptop in 2025 is a big decision, so watch till the very end. By then, the winner will be clear. Don't forget to check the description for the latest prices and deals, and a like really helps me out. Let's dive in! The Dell XPS 13 Copilot Plus and the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 present distinct approaches to design and build quality in the premium ultra-portable category. Dell leans into a strikingly minimalist aesthetic with the XPS 13, featuring a unibody aluminum chassis that feels both premium and robust. Its invisible touchpad seamlessly integrates into the palm rest, contributing to a clean look, while capacitive function buttons further enhance this modern feel. However, this focus on aesthetics introduces quirks such as a less tactile function row and a trackpad that can be harder to locate and less precise compared to traditional designs. In contrast, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 retains its iconic business-oriented design, utilizing a blend of magnesium, aluminum, and carbon fiber to achieve a lightweight yet durable build that meets MIL STD 810H standards. While also sleek and professional with its matte black finish and rounded communication bar, the ThinkPad prioritizes practicality with a more traditional keyboard and trackpad layout. When it comes to ports and connectivity, the two laptops diverge significantly. The Dell XPS 13 adopts a decidedly modern, albeit limited approach, with only two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 USB 4 ports and no headphone jack, necessitating the use of dongles or docks for broader connectivity, which can be inconvenient for a laptop in its price range. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12, on the other hand, offers a more comprehensive selection, including two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, a USB-A 3.2 port, an HDMI 2.0 port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. This varied selection provides greater flexibility for connecting to a wider range of peripherals without the immediate need for adapters. However, the ThinkPad does lack an SD or microSD card slot, which might be a consideration for certain users. Both offer distinct experiences when it comes to their displays. The Dell featured a 13.4-inch IPS non-touch display with a 1920 by 1200 resolution, noted for its brightness, color accuracy, and sharpness, enhanced by Dell's immersive Infinity Edge bezels. Higher-end configurations of the XPS 13 offer OLED panels, which promise even more stunning visuals. In contrast, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 boasts a 14-inch OLED display with a higher 2880 by 1800 resolution, delivering sharp, vivid visuals characterized by rich, deeply saturated colors and true blacks. The ThinkPad's display also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, contributing to smoother video playback and scrolling. In terms of their webcams, both laptops feature 1080p FHD cameras equipped with IR sensors for Windows Hello facial recognition. The Dell's webcam is decent, offering sharper quality than many rivals, though not exceptional. The ThinkPad's camera is functional and secure, including a privacy shutter, and producing reasonably clear images with natural colors, along with features like auto-framing and background blur to enhance video conferencing. The keyboards and touchpads of these laptops also present different design philosophies. The Dell XPS 13 features a wide edge-to-edge keyboard with shallow but responsive key travel. A notable and somewhat controversial design choice is the capacitive function row, which lights up only when needed but lacks tactile feedback and can be difficult to use without looking. The invisible glass touchpad seamlessly blends into the palm rest, but its usability is noted as less responsive compared to traditional designs. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12, on the other hand, is renowned for its excellent keyboard, retaining the shallow yet responsive key travel characteristic of ThinkPads, ensuring quiet, fast, and accurate typing. The key layout has been updated for better comfort, and tactile ridges have been added to certain keys for improved feedback, particularly beneficial for visually impaired users. The ThinkPad includes both the traditional track point and a smooth, responsive touchpad with dedicated mouse buttons beneath the spacebar. Battery life is a significant strength for the Dell XPS 13 Copilot Plus, attributed to its power-efficient Snapdragon X Elite chip. It's an impressive 17 hours and 38 minutes in the PC Mark X applications test, surpassing both its Intel counterpart and the Surface Pro Copilot Plus. It can easily last a full workday and often extend into the next. The Lenovo ThinkPad offers solid battery life for a business ultra-portable, achieving 13 hours and 51 minutes of continuous video playback in tests. While sufficient for a full day of work for most users, it is noted as not class-leading compared to some competitors in the ultra-portable category. Under the hood, the Dell XPS 13 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite processor, featuring 12 CPU cores with speeds up to 3.4 GHz and a dual-core boost up to 4.0 GHz, along with an integrated Adreno GPU and a dedicated 45 TOPS NPU. Benchmarks indicate that this processor surprisingly outperforms the Intel Core Ultra 7 version of the XPS 13 in productivity tasks and single-threaded CPU and AI workloads. However, its ARM architecture leads to a mixed bag in application compatibility, with native ARM apps running smoothly, but x86 apps requiring emulation, sometimes resulting in lag or bugs, particularly with certain creative tools. In contrast, the Lenovo ThinkPad is equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, supported by 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD. This configuration delivers excellent performance for most office and productivity tasks, handling web browsing, multitasking, and Microsoft Office applications with ease. While it performs well in benchmarks for everyday business tasks, it isn't the fastest in its class, particularly when compared to systems with Apple's Silicon in more processor-intensive creative workflows like video editing or multimedia rendering. When it comes to editing capabilities, the Dell XPS 13 Copilot Plus is suitable for light photo editing using basic tools or web-based applications. However, heavier professional tools like the Adobe Creative Suite may encounter struggles unless they are optimized for the ARM architecture. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12, with its Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, offers capable performance for a broader range of editing tasks, though it might not match the raw power of some higher-end competitors for intensive video or multimedia work. For gaming, the Dell XPS 13 is explicitly stated as not suitable. Many popular games, especially those with anti-cheat systems, won't run due to incompatibility with the ARM architecture. Even supported games are likely to run at lower settings due to the integrated Adreno GPU. Similarly, while the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 with its integrated Intel Arc graphics can handle some light gaming and casual media consumption, it is not designed for serious gaming or 3D rendering. More demanding titles will not run well, and serious gamers are advised to look for systems with dedicated graphics cards. Alright everyone, after this in-depth look, the winner for most users in 2025 is the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12. Its superior port selection, excellent keyboard, and fantastic OLED display offer a more versatile package. Check the links below for the latest deals.